What's fantastic is my experience with the Invision 24-hour staff is that they have a complete understanding of my home. It's as if they're there and able to put themselves right there in my house without having to be there. And I would say that 99% of the time they're able to troubleshoot the issue and deal with the issue remotely. We'll either get an email alert first or potentially a phone call depending on how you want to sign up for the service, letting us know that there's a potential issue in the house. And what's nice about that is it gives us the ability to be able to either deal with it when we get back or being able to let them work through the problem. They're working through it. So they're monitoring things to make sure that things are working efficiently.
I think it is very unique, and the way I would sell it to friends of mine is that you can pick up the phone and call a number and somebody answers on the other end of that phone. We've never had anybody not answer the phone or not show up and them actually talk to you intelligently about your system to walk you through the problems. To me, that's the raising the bar on the service arm of Henry's industry. And we've never experienced that before. We've done business with other people, but that Invision eliminates the stress that you have when your system goes down. And it's a pretty unique feeling to call somebody and you're sitting on your couch with a system that's not working and there's somebody on the other end talking to you like they're in the room with you and they're able to walk. It's a great deal of satisfaction from having somebody walk through a problem like that you may be totally unqualified to handle, but you can get the system up.